Think you know everything about ancient Rome? Think again. From fast food to welfare systems, the Romans were full of surprises. Stick around as we reveal 5 shocking facts about the Roman Empire that you've probably never heard of. Fact number 1. The Roman fast food revolution. Imagine walking down the busy streets of ancient Rome. The air is filled with the scent of fresh bread, roasted meat, and hot wine. You're hungry, but there's no need to wait. Just step into a thermopolium, the Roman answer to fast food. These small shops were scattered throughout the city, serving ready-to-eat meals for those on the go. Whether you were a busy merchant or a laborer, thermopolia offered a quick and affordable way to fill your stomach. Sounds familiar, right? Turns out, grabbing a quick bite on the street isn't such a modern idea after all. What's next? Wait till you hear what they used for laundry. The dirty secret of Roman cleanliness. We all know the Romans were clean freaks. They loved their baths. But did you know they also had a secret weapon for keeping their clothes spotless? Brace yourself. It was urine. Yes, you heard that right. Foulones, or Roman laundry workers, used urine as a powerful cleaning agent. The ammonia in urine was perfect for removing stains and whitening fabrics. It was so effective that public urinals were a common sight. And yes, the collected urine was taxed by the government. How's that for recycling? Fact 3. The world's first shopping mall. Shopping malls might seem like a modern invention, but ancient Romans were way ahead of the game. Trajan's Market, built around 100 to 110 AD, was essentially the world's first shopping mall. This multi-level complex housed over 150 shops and offices, offering everything from fresh produce to luxury goods. It was a one-stop shop for Romans looking to buy anything their heart desired. Trajan's Market was more than just a place to shop. It was a social hub where people from all walks of life mingled and did business. Fact 4. The vegetarian gladiators. Picture a Roman gladiator, strong, fierce, and ready for battle. What's fueling that strength? You might think it's loads of meat, but the truth is a little different. Many gladiators were actually vegetarians. Known as hordearii, or barley eaters, these warriors consumed a diet rich in grains, beans, and barley. It wasn't just about staying healthy. This diet helped them build the bulk they needed for the arena. In fact, the extra fat from this diet served as a layer of protection against wounds. So, the next time you think of a gladiator, picture him munching on a bowl of barley instead of a steak. Fact 5. Rome's welfare system. Rome wasn't just about power and conquest. It was also about taking care of its citizens. Enter the annona, Rome's extensive welfare system. The annona was a government program that distributed grain to the poorer citizens of Rome, ensuring that no one went hungry. This welfare system was crucial in maintaining social order and preventing unrest. Over time, it expanded to include other foodstuffs like bread and olive oil, making it an essential part of Roman life. It's clear, the Romans knew the importance of keeping their people fed and happy. From fast food joints to welfare programs, the Romans were truly ahead of their time. These surprising facts remind us that while ancient Rome may seem distant, its influence is still felt today. So next time you grab a quick bite, do your laundry, or shop at the mall, think of the Romans who did it first. What do you think? Did any of these facts surprise you? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating history. Who knows what other secrets we'll uncover next?